privacy and business ownership don't always go hand in hand, especially when banking is involved. If you're considering a New Mexico LLC for its privacy benefits, you need to understand both the possibilities and limitations when it comes to setting up bank accounts. New Mexico has become a popular state for forming anonymous LLCs, and for good reason. Unlike many other states, New Mexico doesn't require disclosure of owners or managers in public filings. There are no annual reports or franchise taxes required, which means fewer opportunities for your information to be exposed. The state also offers relatively inexpensive formation fees compared to privacy havens like Nevada or Delaware. An anonymous LLC can provide several important benefits. It shields you from being negatively associated with your business and prevents people from discovering company ownership through simple internet searches. This structure can protect you from stalkers or criminals by creating layers between you and your company. It also helps protect your assets from frivolous lawsuits. However, there's a crucial limitation you need to understand. While you can form an anonymous LLC, you cannot open a truly anonymous bank account for that LLC. Banking regulations require personal identification information from all business owners. There are several ways you might unintentionally lose your anonymity. Registering your business in your home state, issuing stock, or operating businesses that require licenses can all expose your identity. Working in the business, entering into contracts or loans, or being involved in legal proceedings will also compromise your privacy. And yes, opening a bank account requires personal information disclosure. To maximize your privacy when structuring your New Mexico LLC, consider using a third-party registered agent so your address isn't publicly listed. Avoid using your real name on public-facing documents by employing a nominee manager. You might also set up a parent-child LLC structure with a holding company in New Mexico owning another LLC in your operational state. Using a virtual office address prevents your personal address from appearing on documentation. When it comes to opening a bank account for your New Mexico LLC, you'll need several documents. These typically include your articles of organization, your employer identification number from the IRS, a valid government-issued ID, and proof of your business address. Many banks also require a banking resolution or operating agreement, especially for multi-member LLCs. In many cases, you'll need to visit the bank in person. Some online banks do allow remote account opening, but they still require identity verification. Banks like Mercury, Relay, or Bluevine may support remote opening for New Mexico LLCs, though traditional banks often require in-person visits or notarized documentation. When choosing a bank for your LLC, look for one with LLC-friendly policies and experience working with these business structures. Compare monthly fees and minimum balance requirements. Robust online banking access is particularly important if you're managing your business from outside New Mexico. Consider whether the bank has physical locations convenient to you and evaluate their flexibility regarding document submission. Remember that while New Mexico offers strong privacy protections for your LLC formation, federal banking laws require all financial institutions to verify and record the identity of their customers. You can structure your LLC for maximum privacy, but banking will always involve some level of personal disclosure. The key is to understand these limitations and work within them to create the most private structure possible for your specific business needs. With careful planning, a New Mexico LLC can still offer significant privacy advantages, even with the necessary banking disclosures.